Good evening, YouTubers. Where did the time go? That's what happens when you squash your hood cable release under the battery brace bracket. Now it's just a question of reassembling and everything works sweet. Thank you, Jesus. And I'm sure I had some guardian angels watching over me tonight and every day. I gotta put these little plastic jobbers back in that holds the plastic in place. Clever design when they work. You can only put them in and out so many times when they start breaking. The human hammer. Yeah. At least I got good weather for this job. I should use my needle nose and squeeze them with that. They generally pop in pretty easy. It's like one of them projects you start, you don't want to stop. It's a car guy thing. Keep at it till you get her done. I'm missing one of them plastic pins. I'll find it in the daylight. Let's see if this works the way it's supposed to. Nice and tight. Listen for the click. Success. Loving it, YouTube. Love it when a plan comes together. Sometimes you get some aggravations and irritations on the way, but you got to overcome. The Lord don't give you more than you can handle. And we're dealing with it. God bless you.